Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Rockaway River at Brinton below the reservoir until Saturday evening, or until the warning is canceled. At 11 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 4.7 feet. Flood stage is 5.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage overnight and continue to rise to near 6.5 feet by tomorrow afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by Saturday early afternoon. Impact at 6.0 feet. Flooding occurs on Ville Road in Montville. The road heading into Parsippany is subject to closures. The national web fall below flood stage on Friday before midnight. Impact at 6.5 feet. Both main streets in Ballure and Bloomingdale flood. Several commercial properties are also flooded. The Hamburg Turnpike experiences significant flooding. Flooding expands to the east side of Bloomingdale. Sloan Park is flooded. For the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, and Somerset, forecast flooding increased from minor to moderate severity. The flood warning continues for the Raritan River at Manville until late Thursday night, or until the warning is canceled. At 9:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 12.5 feet. Flood stage is 14.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by tonight and continue to rise to near 17.9 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by late tomorrow evening. Impact at 18.0 feet. East Tubes Parkway and several bridges flooded. Roads throughout the area closed due to high water. For the following counties, Somerset, New Jersey, forecast flooding increased from minor to moderate severity. The flood warning continues for the North Branch Raritan River at Raritan until Thursday evening, or until the warning is canceled. At 9:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 10.5 feet. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring, and moderate flooding is forecast. The river will continue rising to near 13.1 feet by early tomorrow. The river will fall below flood stage tomorrow afternoon. Impact at 13.0 feet. The first evacuations begin in village of North Branch at Trout 28 and Vanderveer Avenue. For the following county, Somerset, New Jersey, the flood warning continues for the Millstone River at Blackwell's Mills from Thursday morning to late Friday night, or until the warning is canceled. At 9:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 4.8 feet. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by tomorrow morning and continue to rise to near 14.2 feet by tomorrow evening. The river will fall below flood stage by Friday evening. Impact at 13.0 feet. Washington Street and several